tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I really do appreciate it. And to all of my returning viewers, thank you so much. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now today I will be continuing my exterior spring cleaning refresh. Last week or a few days ago, I uploaded a video which was called How to Remove Dark Crud from the Sidewalk and Your House. Well guys, today I will be talking about how to make your driveway looks clean as new and painting my porch and deck. So guys, as you can see that my husband has already started the process. He is using his brush mop and he's mopping down the driveway. And so guys, this driveway had a lot of crud on it as well, as you can see, and he just brushing that stuff right off with this brush mop. Okay guys, and so as you know, as I mentioned in my last video, that we had a lot of work to do, and I will be breaking down these videos into parts. So I'm going to call this one like part 2. So this is a continuation of that exterior spring cleaning refresh video, and I will have a link to that particular video down in my description box, so you can go back and watch that video and you will be caught up as of right now. But I will be coming back to you guys, bringing you some more jam-packed videos of my exterior cleaning refresh. Okay guys, so I am just still excited because I get a chance to get all of this work done, at least most of it done, and I just want to bring you guys along with me. But now, as you can see, that he went back and he got his Bumblebee one, and this little booger here is awesome. I mean, it just cut through dirt and dark crud like it ain't nothing, like it wasn't even there on the sidewalk. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to just be quiet for a few minutes, and I'm going to just let you listen to some music, and I want you to enjoy. guys, we are still in day 1 from where I first released the exterior spring clean and refresh series video. And so, are we tired? Yes, we are tired, but guys, we got to get this done because both of us, we took off from our regular job to get started on this. And so yes, we got to get it done. I know my husband is tired. He has done a lot of work, but anyway, we're going to switch over and I'm going to show you where I will be coming in doing my roses. And as I mentioned in my last video, that guys, my rose bush died. I had 4 rose bush to die, and my 4th one almost died. Now this is unusual for all of them to die at the same time. Okay, so that's the thing that I can't wrap my that's the thing that I can't understand. Why did all 4 of them die at the same time, and I almost lost my 5th one? But anyway, this is what they are looking like. See how dry they are? But guys, they can be salvaged because right there you can see a little bit of greenery left, and as long as I see a little bit of life, I'm going to prune this rose bush and I am going to bring it back to life. And when it comes back to life, I will make sure that I show you. Now guys, this one right here, I don't think I can bring this one here back to life. There's no life. There's no greenery on this one whatsoever. But the other 2, this one and this one here, I'm going to save this bad boy, okay? So I'm going to go ahead on and start pruning these rose bushes. Okay, so now I got my little saw, guys. And I'm going to go in here and prune this rose bush. And what I'm doing is I'm just cutting out all of the dead leaves, the dead sticks, and I'm just going to saw those bad boys off, drop them down to the ground, and I'm going to go ahead on and save them. And this is my 2nd rose bush, so I'm pruning this one here as well to make sure that I'm getting all of the dry sticks off so it won't suck the life out of the rest of the greenery that's left on this rose bush. Okay, and I do have 2 more, so there's one right to the right of this one here that I would be going to, and I'm going to just I should just cut it down, but what I'm going to do is give that one maybe a few more days, but I don't think it's gonna work. So what I'm going to do with that one, this one right here, I'm going to come back and just cut it all the way. No, I'm just gonna put it up. Okay, I'm gonna put up the sticks, and I got some new roses that I'm going to be planting. But anyway, that's what we got going on there. Okay, this little saw that I'm using, it's not made for big sticks, just for like trimming the hedges or trimming the rose bushes, but nothing heavy because I don't want to lock up my little saw. Okay, this is one that my husband gave me to use in my yard. So now this is my 4th rose bush, and it doesn't look as bad as the 3 that I just showed you, but it does have some dry areas on it as well. So I'm going to prune this one, and I'm going to save this one here as well because it is not as bad as the other 3. But my big one, I had to go ahead and pull that up. Yes guys, my big one, I had to go ahead on and pull that one up because it was gone. There was no saving it. It was all sticks. But I hated it so bad because my rose bush was about 10 years old. It was growing so beautifully. It stayed red, blossoming, red blooms all the way up until like December. But it was gorgeous, guys. But so now I'm finished, pruning everything, and I'm just going to go ahead on and rake everything in a pile, and I come back and I'll move everything. Okay, so yes, this is work. Now guys, let's go see what my husband is doing. Here's the front porch that he's going to be painting. He's going to be painting it that green. I don't know the exact color, but he is going to be painting this porch. And right here you see where he has already painted one of the steps, and he's going to be not painting the entire porch at one time. He's going to leave a pathway for us when we get ready to go inside of the house. We won't have to go around to the back to gain entrance, but he's just going to do this so we can have a space to walk. I thank him for thinking of that. Okay, so here he just painting the porch, and he using his brush. As you can see, he using the Rust-Oleum paint, and this is a good brand, guys, because we haven't painted this porch, I think, probably in about 3 years, and maybe longer than that, as you can see from the way it looks. Okay, so but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and tidy this porch up, and so you can see he left that little pathway right there in the center. So that little pathway, we're just going to use that. Okay, so okay guys, I'm just gonna let you go ahead on and listen to music and just watch him paint this porch. Guys, I will come back in another video and show you the finished results of everything that I showed you today. And I will also come back with another video showing you how I plant the roses that I purchased, and also some of the flowers that I purchased. Okay, so here is the deck, and my husband will be painting this as well. If you want to know the color of it, just comment below and I will get that color from him. Okay, so he's using his roller brush and he is painting this deck here, and he built this deck. I don't have footage on it because when I came back home, he had almost completed this deck or halfway done, and the guy that was helping him did not want me to record him. So guys, I'm going to show you the last 2 clips of the pressure washing of the house, and this is going to be on the rear of the house. So let's get back to music. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video, but I will be continuing this series, and we are going to be painting the soffit on the house. We're just going to be doing different things. I'll be planting my roses, my flowers, and we still got to put the shutters up. So guys, I still have a lot in store for you. So just make sure that you come back and continue to watch my exterior spring cleaning refresh series. If you want to be notified when I upload that next series video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell twice, comment, leave me a thumbs up, and you will be notified the next time when I upload that video. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.